Hello YouTube! This is your pal, Fit Justin Lewis. So, I did an hour on the Stairmaster, and I was rocking over there. And then, over here I did 30 minutes on the 7M Stay Healthy app. The Stay Healthy app is where you start exercising, but don't push yourself as much. But help you like stretch and everything. And stay active and everything. So I did that. And now today is 24 abdominal crunch challenge day. So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing that. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, anyone who wants to join the workout challenges or watch my videos, same as viewers, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Fit Justin Lewis, or check out my workout videos on Facebook or Instagram. Love you guys, and I hope to see you soon. This is Fit Justin Lewis, signing out.